Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure your Google account and payment profile are ready. This prevents errors when redeeming. Once done, locate the physical or digital 16-character code and keep it visible. Now open the Google Play app and tap your profile icon, then choose Payments and Subscriptions. This brings you directly to redeem options. Do this first because it verifies account eligibility and saves time, making the next step a direct entry rather than troubleshooting later. You enter the 16-character code exactly as shown. Accuracy matters because one wrong character triggers a rejection. After tapping Redeem, Google will show options for applying funds. Make sure you pick Play Balance or the specific purchase you intended, because some purchases require sufficient balance. Once you confirm, the app displays the new Play Balance. Note it may take a few seconds to update. If you plan to buy apps, check pricing versus balance so you know if another payment method is needed. You finish by using the Play Balance at checkout, choose it under Payment Methods, and complete the purchase. If the code fails, make sure your account country matches the code region, the code isn't expired, and you typed characters correctly. These are the most common reasons for rejection. If problems persist, take a screenshot of the error and contact Google Play support with the code and transaction details. Doing so speeds resolution and protects your funds.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.